Yeah, that's for you to draw.
Drawn, or you can put magnets on it. Now open that little package.
It's a magnetic white.
A little package. Can we open the little packages? The magnets in here.
I remember when I got a white ball.
Magnets. Mom, I got
Oh, pretty.
I got my very real magnet.
Wow, they're sparkly.
You can give 2 silver ones to Dana, and she can give 2 flower ones to you.
You can trade them all.
See if the package will stick to the whiteboard.
Just put the whole thing up there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, it does.
It's sliding.
This is for their playroom, and then they'll alleviate your refrigerator.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Easy
No,
now.
no, 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 no. Emily.